Here, have a drug.
Oh, let's go get some movie to do shows.
Yeah.
I'm on patrol.
I'm looking for crimes.
Stop in the name of the law!
What did I do, officer?
You smoker! And stick all your hay. I mean all your hay. Into the car. Or never mind.
2 years later, after getting out of jail, they went back to doing drugs.
I don't know, maybe we should stop taking drugs.
I should have stopped you for taking those drugs.
Put him over on his back. Grab his other arm.
As they take him to the hospital, just remember, he passed away from overdosing on drugs. Do not do drugs, or the same thing could happen to you.